Okay, so same thing we did earlier. A is going to be 1, B is going to be 6, and C is negative 27. So you may have noticed that instead of having a plus on the end here, I have a subtraction. And so that's going to be a little bit different than what we've been looking at. Okay, so I'm still going to take the product of A times C, which is 1 times negative 27, and that gives us negative 27 to find factors of. So my factors of negative 27 are going to be these possibilities. 1 times negative 27, or negative 1 times 27. You could have 3 and negative 9, or you could have negative 3 times positive 9. Remember, when you're multiplying, a positive times a negative gives you a negative. And I believe those are all the factors. So we still do the same thing we did earlier, which is add up the factors, and the ones that add up to a positive 6 will be the factors that I'll use. Well, 1 minus 27 gives us negative 26. Negative 1 plus 27 gives us a positive 26. 3 minus 9, or 3 plus a negative 9, gives us a negative 6. And negative 3 plus 9 would give us a positive 6. So the pair that we're going to use is negative 3 and 9. So now we need to draw that box. And I'm going to put my first term here in the upper left-hand box and my last term in this lower right-hand box. Okay? So now what I'm going to get is negative 3x, because that's what we have here is a negative 3, and 9x. And now we're going to get the factors, which are going to be the lengths of the sides. To get x squared, we would multiply x times x. To get 9x, I'd have to multiply x by 9, so I'm going to place a 9 here. To get a negative 3x, I already have an x here on the upper part of the box, so I would multiply by a negative 3. And 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. So the factored form of this trinomial is x minus 3 times x plus 9.